Although patient access is the key differentiator of Inglewood Imaging, Schmidt and the facility have also brought several innovations to the area, including PET-CT technology, high-field MRI, low-dose CAT scan imaging, the first regional electronic medical records program, and 4-hour or less report turnaround times.
I know what you're thinking. Who's that white guy in Inglewood? The other thing I noticed is all the Trojans are in the front row. So the Trojans in the room. Good to see you. Yeah, so this company, so I'm the founder and CEO of Inglewood Imaging. We opened up in 2007. Excuse me, I'm nervous. And the goal of our company was really to bring access to care to the central Los Angeles County patient. So the company originated from a bootstrap startup idea I had when I was living in San Francisco. And what I really fell in love with was, well, my wife, but I fell in love with PET-CT technology and radiology. And so what I really wanted to do was just bring access to that community and bring exposure to PET scanning to that market. And for those of you who don't know, PET scanning was approved by Medicare in 1998, and it's really the gold standard for cancer imaging and Alzheimer's imaging. So, through the way, we made partnerships with a lot of people. We work with over 1,100 physicians now. So really, without the physicians supporting us, we wouldn't have any patients. The company's an IDTF structure, so it's the most restrictive structure, so we have no medical group partnerships. It's really been kind of through hard work and effort to get to this point. And there's amazing people that work out of the company. I mean, the operations staff, a lot of them came from Daniel Freeman Hospital, which shut down. The community itself is really growing. I mean, I think there's a $1.2 billion in development in Inglewood coming over the next couple of years. So the forum obviously is a big name thing. So there's a lot happening in Central Los Angeles market. And really, kind of why I applied for the presentation was really to bring exposure to the company and bring exposure to the 3 million patients that live in that market. There's really a lot going on there. So anyway, and just to conclude, perspective is the biggest thing and connecting is the biggest thing. I think that's probably why we got selected. I think we do a really good job of connecting people and really trying to figure out what's working, what's not working, and then eliminate barriers to care to that market. So. I really appreciate the LA Business Journal for putting on something like this. It's really difficult to connect with people, quite frankly, particularly now at Inglewood. It's really hard. So if anybody wants to talk to me after the fact, feel free to talk to me. I love talking to people. Swap business cards, want to get coffee. Consider me. So thanks again.
Congratulations. And it's great to see that you love your work and you love your wife. So. Important shout out there. Well, now it's my privilege